What is Mealpro? A state-of-the-art food manufacturing facility. They make healthy, delicious pre-cooked meals delivered direct to your door. Mealpro is redefining farm-to-table by sourcing its ingredients from local farms. Andy has a passion for delivering great food to his customers. Everything on the menu tastes as amazing as it looks. And the convenience of having gourmet quality meals that maintain good nutrition is unprecedented. My teriyaki beef was bomb AF.